Do you want to win big on Instagram, but you feel like you're struggling? Here are 5 things that might help you up-level your Instagram and continue to grow. 1, create Reels consistently. Reels still have the best reach for a new audience. They're still being pushed by the platform, so create Reels. 2, stay consistent. Even with the shifting algorithms, even with the adjustments, keeping consistent will help you reach your audience. 3, use carousels, which is a string of images kind of interlocked all about the same idea. These are really great because people like to share them, so you'll increase your reach because people are sharing part of your carousel. 4, always interact with your engagement. If someone comments, respond to their comments. If someone sends you a DM, respond. If someone likes your story, let them know and interact with your followers as well. Go like their content. It's a great way to increase your relevancy. And 5, always try the new features because they like to push them. What would you add to the list? Let us know.